September 17th, 2020, our mini lesson. Which of the sets of exponents is greater than the other? So these circles, you're going to either circle the first one or you're going to circle the second one, depending on which is greater. So what does that word greater mean? So greater means bigger. I'm going to write that up here, bigger. Which one is bigger than the other? So 7 squared or 2 to the 6th power? Well, we can solve these. What is 7 squared? That means 7 times 7, which is 49, or 2 to the 6th power. Now, 2 to the 6th power, our base is going to be written how many times? 6 times. So we're going to have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 2. All right, let's see. What is 2 times 2? That is 4. 2 times 2 again, 4. 2 times 2 again, 4. And then you can multiply these together. We can only do this because it is all being multiplied. 4 times 4 is going to be 16. And then 16 times that 4 that we didn't use yet is going to give us 64. So which is bigger? 7 squared or 2 to the 6th power? Well, 2 to the 6th power is 64. So you're going to drag this circle and you're going to place it on or over 2 to the 6th power. All right, next one. 3 to the 3rd power or 8 squared or to the 2nd power? And you can also say 3 cubed. 3 cubed or 3 to the 3rd power means 3 times 3 times 3. And no, it's not 9. 3 times 3 is what? Well, 3 times 3 is going to be 9. And then 9 times 3 is going to be 27. So our answer is 27. Now, 8 squared means 8 times 8. What is 8 times 8? Oh, I know the riddle. 8 and I ate till I got sick on the floor. 8 times 8 is 64. Which is greater? Woohoo! This one. 8 squared. So you'll drag this circle over the 8 squared. Next one. 3 squared or 3 to the 2nd power or 9 to the 0 power. Ooh! Do you remember anything to the 0 power? So if I show you this, anything to the 0 power is always going to be what? 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Anything to the 0 power is going to be 1. So 9 to the 0 power is just 1. 3 squared means 3 times 3, which is 9. So is 9 or 1 greater? 9 is greater. So we're going to circle the first one. Put that circle over the first one. All right, great job. Now we are going to go to the next page of this, and we are going to think about this. So Zach invested $5 and tripled his money after 2 years. Kayla also invested $5, and her amount was equal to 5 cubed, or 5 to the 3rd power, after 2 years. Who has more money after 2 years? So you can type your thoughts there. If Zach invested $5 and he just tripled his money, so Zach, he tripled his money, so that means 5 times 3, because it's just tripling, not to an exponent. It's not cubed, it's not to the 3rd power, it's just tripled. So after 2 years, how much will Zach have made? $15, because 5 times 3 is 15. Now, let's take a look at Kayla. Kayla invested $5, but hers equaled 5 to the 3rd power, or 5 cubed. So, after 2 years. So, what does 5 cubed, or 5 to the 3rd power mean? Well, we know that means 5 times 5 times 5. So, 5 times 5 is going to be 25. And then if you do 25 times 5, that will give you 125. You can think of quarters there, or you can multiply it through. But who would have more money then? Kayla would. She would have more money because her investment was 5 with an exponent of 3, or 5 to the 3rd power. So exponents multiply things a lot quicker and a lot faster than when you just multiply it by another number. So keep that in mind. That was just kind of a challenge for you to think about. And that is all for our mini lesson.